Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Binance on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open your Binance application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go and tap on the sign up/login button at the top of the screen in order to bring up the login area. If you've not registered for Binance yet, you can tap on the register link at the top right hand corner. Follow the instructions in order to sign up. If you already have an account and you'd like to log in, go ahead and fill in your information in the text boxes that appears. You can either enter your email address or your mobile number in order to log into your account. To log in with mobile, tap on Login with Mobile link at the top. Enter your mobile number and then your password in order to log into your account. To log in with your email, type in your email address in the first text box that you see. Once you type in your email address, head over to the password field and type in your password as well. You can double check your password by tapping on the little eye icon in the right corner of the password box. In case you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link right beneath the box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After typing in your information correct, tap on the arrow button pointing towards the right side of the screen at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, go through the verification puzzle and complete its pieces. And there you have been logged into your Binance account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.